Hello dear Phasmatic friends. Today another example of absolute value equations, but when you have absolute value on the left side and absolute value on the right side. Follow me please. First of all, if we identify that we have only one absolute value on the left side and only one absolute value on the right side, we are going to make the next thing. We can pass the absolute value that is on the right side to the denominator of the first expression. And here I'm going to place the number 1. Because if I put a 0, if I pass this expression one more time to the right side, this expression times to 0 will give us 0, and that disappears. So the correct way of doing that is to put the number 1 here. Always when you divide by something, you put the number 1. It is like dividing everything by the absolute value of 2x plus 4. Now we can put everything into only one absolute value. Remember, when you have the absolute value of something equals to one number, you have two possibilities. The first possibility, the expression that is inside the absolute value is equal to this number in positive, and the expression that is inside the absolute value is equal to this number in negative. For solving that, you can pass it multiplying, or you can multiply everything by the least common multiple of the denominator. It is the same. So you are going to get x minus 1 is equal to 1 times 2x plus 4. And 1 times 2x plus 4 is 2x plus 4. Then everything with x to the left side, everything without x to the right side. Negative 2x plus x, negative x, is equal to 1 plus 4, 5. So we can change the signs of the whole equation, or we can multiply this equation by negative 1 to change the signs in order to get a positive x. So the final answer is x is equal to negative 5. After that, here the same thing, we can pass the denominator multiplying to the other side. So x minus 1 is equal to negative 1 times 2x plus 4. We solve the multiplication because it is a linear equation, very simple. Negative 1 times 2x, negative 2x. And negative 1 times 4, negative 4. Here, everything with x to the left side, everything without x to the right side. Finally, x plus 2x, 3x is equal to 1 minus 4, negative 3. Then x is equal to negative 3 divided by 3. Remember, when you pass a number to the denominator, you don't change its sign. But when you pass to the other side on the same line, yes. The final answer will be x is equal to negative 1. Negative 3 divided by 3 is negative 1. And always when you have an absolute value equation, you have to verify that your answers are correct. If we replace the x with a negative 5, negative 5 plus negative 1, negative 6. Absolute value of negative 6 is 6. And here, negative 5 times 2, negative 10 plus 4, negative 6. The absolute value of negative 6 is 6. So this answer is correct. And here, the negative 1. Negative 1 plus negative 1, negative 2. Absolute value of negative 2 is 2. Negative 1 times 2 is negative 2 plus 4, 2. the absolute value of 2 is 2. Then it is correct. We have finished our exercise. Thank you very much. See you next time.